Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and software to accept higher current safely. Plug the OEM 18W or higher quick charge wall adapter into a reliable outlet. Use a good USB-C cable rated for fast charging. Once done, close apps and enable airplane mode to reduce power draw so more current goes to the battery. Also lower screen brightness and timeout. This reduces simultaneous load and lets the charging circuit prioritize battery refill instead of powering active services. You now focus on efficient charging strategy and thermal management. Plug into the wall adapter directly and avoid USB hubs or car ports with variable output because consistent voltage yields faster charge. Charge between roughly 20% and 80% to maximize speed and minimize thermal stress. The battery accepts current fastest in that window. Make sure the phone sits on a cool, ventilated surface and remove any insulating case. Temperature limits will cause the phone to throttle charging speed if it warms up. You finish by letting the charging circuit taper as it approaches full. Above 80% charging intentionally slows to protect lifespan, so expect diminishing speed. If charging remains slow, try a different certified cable and charger and restart the phone to clear glitches. Once done, check settings for battery usage or a pending software update that could affect charging performance. Sometimes an app is preventing rapid charge. If overheating or persistent issues continue, stop charging and seek a technician to rule out hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.